Hey, it's Joe here from the solutions engineering team at SmartBear. And if you give me 2 minutes, I'll show you how you can catch API drift before your users do. APIs change all the time, but your documentation and your implementation don't always change together. That's called API drift, when your real API no longer matches its contract. Here's an OpenAPI document for a simple product API. This is supposed to be the source of truth and often gets used by end users of the API as documentation. But how do we know that the actual API over here still behaves like the specification says it should? And that's where Drift comes in. Drift is the new testing tool available as part of Swagger Contract Testing and can check for exactly this scenario. Drift tests verify a running API against its OpenAPI definition. Each test references an operation in the OpenAPI definition using its operation ID. Drift then sends a real request and checks that the response matches the schema defined in the OpenAPI document. So if we run a test, we can see all tests are passing, which means our implementation matches the contract. Now let's introduce a bug. The OpenAPI definition says that the field type is expected in a product response. But what if the implementation didn't have that field anymore? We make the change, run our drift tests, and we can see the tests are accurately failing because, according to the API definition, type is a required property which is no longer present in the implementation. And that's how you turn your OpenAPI definition into a living contract that can be used to test for API drift.